Hello everyone, welcome to Fiji Investment Trading. My name is Mr. Singh and I'm going to talk about XPeng Auto, the EV company based in China. I'm going to talk about the fundamentals. The news came out today and the stock on the support and key levels to watch out moving forward, where we expect the stock to be heading in what direction. So let's talk about the news that came out on the XPeng. Um, as we know that the May delivery was XPeng delivered 5,686 vehicles in May, taking to the year-to-date deliveries up to 24,173 units, an increase of 427% in 5 months of 2020. In the emergency of the coronavirus, China squeeze sales. So we definitely can see uh, that on EV companies like Tesla, Neo, XPeng, making big waves on the EV industry. So that's definitely that we can look at it that they are expected. They're growing slowly. They're growing really smaller pace than Neo and Tesla. Well, Tesla is above anyone, but you can see that they have growing steadily, making profits, delivering vehicles, which is a small and good sign of any company, irrespective if it's EV or any company. So when you look at it, like I'm gonna pull another article was posted like XPeng delivered 586 vehicles and an increase of 483 increase over a year. That's a huge, right? In terms of breakdown, they XPeng delivered 3,979 EP sports sedans and 1,889 G3 compact sports utility. So they have a variety. That's what I kind of like about um, Xpeng. They have varieties like two-way vehicles that's commonly used by any consumers in China. And they are also based, they also have in Norway. They started in Norway, like Neo, they have started Neo growing slowly over there. We all know about the ship shortage going on, but everybody's expected to be over by the beginning of the third quarter of this year. So let's see where it jumps on that, right? Right here, see the Neo Xpeng could beat the delivery target despite of chip shortage concern. So we definitely can see in the third quarter this thing goes away and again have a more vehicles delivered to the market. Let's look at the stock side. So I'm going to change this was my previous support level that I had. I'm going to kind of change it back quickly to solid line and I'm going to set it as default. Okay, perfect. So you can clearly sees that that is testing at $25. It was acted as a huge support in past. We bounced off, and now we are trading. Now we are trading below the 200 day moving average. So if you see on my screen, so the pink line you see on my screen, it is a 200 day moving average. The greenish color you can see that is the 60-day moving average, and this is the blue line is the 50 days. So definitely we are making some higher highs right now. Let's go back quickly on the 6 months and see that a little bit more better. Here you go. We got 6 months 4 hour chart period. Right now we're trading at $35 and we're below that moving averages. So the key level we need to keep an eye to have a huge test is the $37, right, and 55 cents. So yeah, $37.55 you'll see up here in the beginning of November of 05 in 2020 acted as a support resistance, then acted as support, and then acted over here huge when we came down all the way to 35 and going all the way to $60. Our 52-day high is at $74.49. That's the milestone we all expecting to break out. So now we had that, we tested, now we came all sold all the way to 25, came back, tested at 37.55, got rejected, tested at 37.55, and now we came all the way and retested it and actually came all the way to $22. So yeah, I'm gonna put it as another one right here. So acted as another support on that. So we need to cut. But the key areas we need to look in order to break it is $37.55. So once we break that, right? Once we break that, then definitely we are heading into the upper 40s or 43 and stuff. Still a downtrend pattern. If you look at it, still a downtrend right here. Still a downtrend pattern. Nothing too crazy on that. Still a downtrend pattern. We have not got the confirmation yet where this thing is gonna head yet. But the key areas we need to keep an eye to get it tested is $37.55 and then $43.68. So if let's look at on this. I'm quickly gonna go back and look at them 1 month, right? Let's see what is the 1 month we've been doing. Look at the month, right? We tested it 22. And we're making higher highs, right? Higher highs. This is the name of the game. Making higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, right? Making higher highs, right? We're trading below. We tested this 200 moving average, and we moved it up. And we are trading right now at around $35. Today's high was $36.23, and we had a huge kind of sell off to the general market. All the EVs, Nasdaq was down massively, so we came all the way down and it got tested again. So you made in the month. We're going back and testing that $37.55 key level and see if it holds and break out. Once we break out and we go test at $43, right? When we go back and test at $43 up here, right, and against sideways, then it is a complete bull uptrend right now, which indicates that stock is an uptrend right now. Right now we don't have an actual confirmation. This is an actual a bull run right now, but it's still a sloping resistance, right? A sloping trend right now. So it's trending all the way down right here, right? I can extend it out, but it still has been trending in the downtrend, right? And we didn't expect that. We expected that because of the chip shortage. EV sectors, how the hedge funds has moved the funds around. How the sectors move around. I expected that and stuff. So I have some shares on XPeng also. When it had a dip of around $21, $22, got some on those, and I'm keeping eye because I believe in these companies, and in the EV sector too is growing at a steady pace, and definitely has a lot of momentum and a lot of growth in future, right? So the key levels to keep is $37.55 and $43.36, and once we break out on those two, right, and then we're gonna be testing around close to around at $49.34, right? I'm gonna leave this key support over here for our next video, for everybody to check it out and see what we get. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. This is my own opinion that I do my analysis and diagnose on that in order for me to do trades and see how the pattern plays out. But overall, right now it's a bull run. Today was a little bit pullback on that, which is not a major pullback, and we definitely need to keep in our next resistance to see where it heads out. All being said, hey guys, if you guys like my channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, comment. I would really appreciate it. I'll be making more XPeng videos. I like XPeng. It's a big company. It's an upcoming company actually, and they're growing at a steady pace, like in Norway, in years. He knows what will be the next, Europe countries they'll be testing next. But overall, please do subscribe. Smash the like button. It really helps the channel out a lot. And thank you for watching it. And just watch out for these key levels. 3 key levels I just put on the video. Thank you everyone, and have a nice day.